Alright, I bought this set of shelves. I'm really impressed by how well it's packaged. Everything's zip tied really well. There's covers on caps in between all the shelves, so nothing's going to be scraped up here. All the finishes are going to be great. It's about 5:15. We're going to get started putting it together. Let's see how long it takes to assemble this one. I like that each of the components is labeled too, so there's no concern about which parts are which. One of the reasons I got this set is the shelves are strong, but look at these wheels. Bearings and good strong wheels with a lot of lift, so they're going to work over thresholds and things. It does come with these like feet, but I'm not using these. And they have these double lines every once in a while, about every 12 inches or so. Makes it real easy to align these shelves between the different poles. And there we are. I think it took about 20 minutes. I mean, I've definitely set these things up before. This one went right together though. Very strong, very secure. I did have a little helper here who helps me out all the time. I really like these wheels. I put the locking things on the same side. I guess I should swing it around. I put the locking things so that they're on the outside. These rails are nice and secure. I'm glad I bought this one. Hope this helps.